DJI has officially confirmed the arrival of the DJI Neo 2, a next-generation compact drone that promises to completely redefine the lightweight drone category. For months, the drone community has been flooded with leaks, rumors, and speculation about what DJI was planning with the successor to the original Neo. Now, we finally have the details, and the Neo 2 is shaping up to be one of the most exciting releases of the year. Combining a brand new compact design, upgraded flight systems, and a far more powerful imaging setup, this drone aims to deliver professional performance in a body small enough to slip inside a backpack. For creators, hobbyists, and casual pilots alike, the Neo 2 is set to change the way people think about portable drones. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. The original DJI Neo was already a breakthrough when it launched. It was tiny yet capable, affordable yet reliable, and it became a favorite among travelers, vloggers, and first-time pilots. However, it had its limitations, particularly in flight time, imaging capabilities, and wind resistance. With the Neo 2, DJI has listened to the feedback of its global community and delivered a product that feels like a major leap forward rather than just a small refresh. The result is a compact drone that punches far above its weight class, giving you the tools to capture cinematic quality footage without lugging around a large, expensive aircraft. At first glance, the most striking aspect of the Neo 2 is its completely reimagined design. DJI has slimmed down the frame, shaved off unnecessary bulk, and created a drone that is even easier to transport. Despite its smaller size, the drone is more durable thanks to reinforced composite materials that make it resistant to minor crashes and rough landings. The foldable arm design has been improved too, allowing pilots to set up and launch the drone in seconds. It's clear that DJI wanted to focus on both portability and durability, and the Neo 2 succeeds in finding the perfect balance. But design is only part of the story. What truly makes the DJI Neo 2 stand out is its enhanced power and performance. Equipped with new generation brushless motors and a highly efficient propulsion system, the Neo 2 can now achieve faster speeds, greater stability, and improved resistance against moderate winds. This is a big deal for lightweight drones, which traditionally struggle in outdoor conditions. DJI has engineered the Neo 2 to feel much more confident in the air, giving pilots the peace of mind that their drone won't get tossed around by every gust of wind. The battery life has also received a massive upgrade. One of the biggest complaints about the original Neo was its limited flight time, which often cut adventures short. DJI has solved that issue by integrating a larger capacity intelligent flight battery, pushing the Neo 2's maximum flight time to 34 minutes on a single charge. For a drone of this size, that's nothing short of impressive. It means more time capturing shots and less time worrying about swapping batteries. For travelers and vloggers, this added endurance is a game changer, as it ensures they can document more of their journey without interruption. When it comes to the camera system, DJI has gone above and beyond. The Neo 2 is equipped with a 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor capable of shooting 4K video at 60 frames per second and 48 megapixel still photos. This is a dramatic leap over the original Neo's smaller sensor and limited resolution. The larger sensor ensures better low-light performance